Okay, so in this part we will study about how to distribute identical things into different person. Suppose that you wish to distribute samosa. So you know that samosa will be identical and you have to distribute them into person. Okay, and then you can connect with oranges, apples. Okay, the idea is you have to distribute identical objects. Okay, now look at this, how we will manage things. So the point is, first you will be having two situations. First situation when 0 is allowed. Okay. Second situation will be 0 is not allowed. Okay. Now try to understand the approach by which we will solve these questions. Okay, and then I will connect all the dots. Now try to understand that suppose we have 5 samosa. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and we have to distribute this samosa to 3 person. Okay, now look at the approach how we will handle this situation. So first, you know that you have to distribute identical object to different person. Okay, so this is the object and this is the person. So now in next step you will ask me for sticks. You will ask me for what? You will ask me for sticks. Don't ask why we need sticks. Just just do whatever I am suggesting you, and then later I'll connect everything. Okay, so you will ask me sticks, and then I'll be asking you how many sticks. Then you will be answer person minus 1. So suppose there are 3 persons, so you will be asking for 2 sticks. Suppose there are 10 persons, so you will be asking me for 9 sticks. Okay, so first you have to judge whether this question belongs to distribution of identical object to different person. Okay, in that case you have to ask me for sticks. What will be the count of sticks? It will be 1 less than the number of person. Okay, so here also same concept. Sticks would be person 1 less than the number of person. Now look at this. You know that here 0 is allowed. So you have asked me for 2 sticks because the number of person is what? 3. Now look at this. Because of this sticks and the samosa, right now you guys are having how many things? You guys are having 7 things. Okay, 5 and 2. Now how will you answer? So required ways will be 7C2. Done. Okay, so this is the number of ways by which we will distribute samosa into 3 person. Now try to understand and this is 0 is allowed. Okay, now look at the approach, how I am telling you, why I am telling you. So what I will do, this means that you guys are placing 2 sticks along your person. So suppose that you guys have placed those 2 sticks here. So this group of samosa will be taken by person number 1. This group of samosa will be taken by person number 2. Okay, and this group of samosa will be taken by person number 3. So you guys are dividing this into 3 groups. Okay, samosas into 3 groups, and to divide something into 3 rooms or groups you need 2 sticks. Okay, and this is the case of 0 is allowed. Suppose that you have placed your sticks somewhere here. Okay, so this means person 1 will be taking 2 samosa, person 2 will be taking 2 samosa, and person 1 will be third will be taking 1 samosa. Okay, and it has all the different ways to handle this situation. Okay, so this is the case when 0 is allowed, and I am telling you, you have to hold on great command over this, because we will be converting all the question into comfortable zone, and then we will be solving things. Okay, now suppose that we guys are in this situation where 0 is not allowed. You have to give at least 1 samosa. So in that case, what you will do, you know that you can place your stick at this position. The moment you will place your stick over here, this group of samosa has to be taken by person number 1, which is saying that he will have 0 samosa, so that is not allowed. Okay, you can place your stick somewhere here, here, and here. So you have 4 places. So out of those 4 places, you will be choosing any 2 place. So it is 4C2 and done. You will select any of the place, and then suppose you got these two situations. So first group of samosa will be taken by person 1 and so on. Okay, and this kind of question is very popular nowadays because this helps you to solve integer based questions, okay, which is very important. So you should have good command over this part. I hope you got little bit of clarity. When we will solve illustrations, you will have great command, but I want you to have command in this. Okay, so now you can connect the dots why I have asked for sticks, why it is 1 less than the number of person. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.